I got this new gadget, which is an action camera, and I've been waiting for this for around a year, and this is right now with me, so I'm gonna unbox it and show the contents of the box right now. This is the bill. The box itself. So it's GoPro Hero 8 Black. So the Hero 8 Black can shoot up to 4K 60 frames per second and 180p at 240 frames per second, and I guess these are the warranty cards and subscription for GoPro Plus, and it's an card holder with SanDisk card, memory card, the connector, I think tripod holder. So this is a bundle pack, and so I have received two batteries, one for spare. The headband for action shooting, I mean when I'm riding a bike. This is a tripod and a holder for GoPro Hero 8 Black.